Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. And here we are at the Flying K in the ranch. We want to talk about a kind of a gun I've had laying around for a while. Almost didn't buy it. It is the Umarex SA10. Now this is a smoothbore barrel. It's fixed sights. It has a metal slide, and the bottom part is a, polymer. You do have this piece up here. You could probably unscrew it, put a mock slide on there, mock silencer if you wish to. This is your safety that goes back and forth. If I can get it to work. This is your takedown button. Now, the clip itself holds the CO2 inside the clip. And there's your little round thing that you feed. You see it's kind of geared at the top of that. So you want to load them on the back side of the actual gun, the clip, I'm sorry, and then you're good to go. Now these are holders for the other clips. You can just kind of set them in or store them there. If you flip it over like that, you can set it down in there. I prefer to take them out while I'm shooting, because when you're changing clips, it's easy to those to fall out of the holder, and then you're on the ground, possibly lose them. So, Umarex says this pops out at about 410 feet per second. Mine, personally, you got to aim right at the top of the can to make a hit. But I enjoyed it. Now, I'm going to warn you, this is a loud CO2 blowback pistol. So, when this thing cuts loose, it's, if you're in a touchy neighborhood, be careful of that. Usually about the first two clips are the loudest, then it kind of settles down a little bit. I kind of like the way the cutout barrel design is. That's one of the reasons I almost didn't buy this. I thought it looked kind of freaky, and then I decided to get it. It's got a good weight, good feel, fits in the hand good. We're going to run down here to the other side. Fortunately today I've left my dogs in for a little while I get this video done. I'm hoping to get another one done, but I think it's going to rain. Welcome to Texas. We'll zoom that up a little bit. One good thing is it's cloudy, and that won't shadow my target box off. Make sure that's still kicking. Looks like it. Let's hold this thing holds up. Said I do these on my cell phone, so it's well, you can see there, and it'll put a hole right in that puppy and come right out. Or the aluminum cans. I wouldn't suggest that on metal. Came in. I had a little problem. Like I said, I had to aim right about here at the top of the can, maybe a little above, because of sighting. Their fixed sights is what you got to live with. But it's got a heck of a kick to it. You'll know you got something in your hand. I mean, it feels pretty realistic. Sort of like shooting a 22 auto. but I enjoyed it. Again, that's the Umarex SA10. It's a good gun, feels solid in the hand. I'll just have to play with it as far as hitting the target a little bit better. I haven't really shot this gun a whole bunch, and like I said, it's shoots a little high for me. I'll just have to play with it, you know, kind of like my Sig Sauer 226. You just got to get used to how to aim it. So, now it's got a rail on here for your put your laser, your flashlight, or whatever. That might help you out. Most of them I come across sold for air guns doesn't put out a lot of light, but you can try different ones and see what you come up with. Find something you like, let me know. And there we go. I'm hoping to get another video out today if I get a chance. We got a good chance of rain. So thank you for watching, and that's how we do it at the Flying Can Ranch. Good day.